Hey everybody, I made a DIY blocking sled for football, for youth football, or for just exercise. I had some wood laying around and I didn't want to buy a new one because they were very expensive. Now this one has sloped skids so that it won't grab the ground. It slides pretty easily. I'll show you how I did that. So basically you're gonna need a drill, 3-inch decking screws, a square, a grinder, 1 1/8 spade bit, 4x4x8. I had a deck board and I had a tape measure. Had it laying around. So basically, just take the 4x4 and cut it in half. Now I got two 4-foot pieces, and then you cut those ends to 45-degree angles. Those are going to be the skids. They're going to be making contact with the ground. And then from the outside of one skid to the outside of the other skid, I made it 30 inches. So you got a 30-inch width, and you can make it as large as you want. It's up to you how you make it. So you get the square, and then make sure everything is square. And then what you're gonna do is just go ahead and start 3 inches from the end of the skids. That's what I did. And like I said, I had some deck board laying around, and that's my 3/4 inch um, galvanized pipe from Home Depot that I use for the handles. And I stacked the two by sixes high so that the pole could sit in there and not penetrate the skids. And speaking of skids, so if you round the skids on the front, then it's easier to maneuver because the square ends tend to grab the ground. So I took the grinder and I had 36 grit sandpaper laying around, nothing new, and I rounded off the skid so that when I'm pushing this sled forward, it doesn't grab the ground and it slides a little bit better. And I had a shelf bracket in the shed. I just took that and screwed it down on top of the 2x6s that I had stacked deep for the handles, and that serves as where you can where you can set the plates if you want to add weight to it, and it worked out good. So I think I spent the pipes were the most expensive part. I think I spent $50 on the pipes. Everything else I pretty much had laying around, and I had to get the spade. I didn't have that 1 1/8 inch spade bit. That's all I had to buy. So I think I spent 50 or $60 for this thing, and it should last because everything's galvanized or pressure treated. Just make sure you do get pressure treated lumber and galvanized pipe for because it's gonna be outside. It's gonna be exposed to the elements. But everything worked. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.